Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Techie Tech. In today's video, we are going to walk through installing Python and setting it up in Visual Studio Code. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, I have got you covered. Let's dive in. First of all, let's download Python. Open your web browser and search for python.org and hit on enter button. It will open a Python homepage for you. Just click on the downloads, and this is the latest version for Windows, Python 3.12.5. Just click on it and it will start the downloading of installer for you. Once the installer is downloaded, just open it up. Make sure to check the box that says add python.exe to path, and also check use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Then click on the customize installation. Check all the options and just click on next button. Here you may also see the some advanced options. Just check it. Also install python 3.12 for all users, and this is the our path where the python is going to be installed. So just click on install button, click on yes, then it will start installing for you. Once the installation is completed, just click on close and check whether the python is working or not by using command prompt. So open command prompt and type python space double hyphen version. Just hit on enter button. Then you will be able to see the installed version of python, that is 3.12.5. And you may also run the python directly on your cmd just by typing python, hit on enter button, and you may use the print statement, print it's python on cmd semicolon, and just hit on enter button, and you may get the output. It's python, and it's python on cmd, yeah, that we have written on it. It's working perfectly. And if you are getting any error on your cmd while checking the python version or just executing the python, so you must need to check the environment path by just searching the environment. Click on environment variables, and here you may see the system variables. Yeah, this is the system variables, and just check path. This is the path. Click on edit button, and here you may find the path has been added already. Here you may see scripts and the python folder. And if you are not able to see both the path here, so you just need to copy the path, go to your this pc, and just go to your programs file and just search for python. Where is python? This is the python 312. And first of all, copy this path and add it here by just clicking on the new button and paste it here. Then again, just you need to copy the script path from your folder. This is the script folder. Just copy it by just clicking here, copy it, and also paste it by just clicking on the new button here. So you will get the both path here. So these two paths should be available in the environment directory. Now click ok, then again click ok, then again ok, and after that reload your cmd again and just search again for python. It's a spelling mistake. Then it will show the current version that is installed in your system. I hope it will work for you. And if you are not getting installed it on your system, so you may just comment below, I will help you. So next step is to just check our python on our VS code. So let's set up Visual Studio Code. First of all, just I'm going to create a folder for Python programs, Python, and just open this folder on your VS Code. Just open it on with the VS Code, and it will just open the Python folder for you that I have created. So this is the VS Code home screen, and we need to install Python extensions. So just click on the extensions button, or you may use the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus X. In the search bar, just type Python and hit on enter button. The extension we want to install, that is Python from Microsoft. So just click on install. Once the extension is installed, let's yeah, extension is installed on our system. So just let's set up a new Python project. Just click on your Explorer and click on the new file, and just create a new file with the name main.py, and this is the our main.python file. And let's add a simple script to main.py, that is print brackets double inverted commas hello Python semicolon. To run this script, click on the run or play button here, that is the button, and you may also install this button by just clicking on the extension button and search for code runner. This will help you to run your code directly. Yeah, this is the code runner. Just install it. So just click on it and it will run the Python code for you. This is not running because I haven't saved my program. So first of all, save your program by just clicking on the save button, and again click on the run button. Then you will get the desired output. This is hello Python, and you should see the hello Python like this printed on the output section. And also you may get the output in terminal if you have set up the output section in your terminal. So congratulations, you have successfully run your first program or Python script in your Visual Studio Code, and that's it. You have successfully installed Python and set it up in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tips and tutorials. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.